Okay, I'll just show you how to work the time climate on this 2015 Range Rover Autobiography. So we'll just go back to home. That's the home switch, the house button there, and you'll see these arrows on either side here. So what we do, we click the arrows and click again. You've got time climate. Click on time climate. There you go. You can either single event or 7-day timer. We want 7-day timers. Now, what you can do all week. If you're going to get out at the same, or go to your car at the same time, that's set at 7 o'clock. If we want to move that, first of all we click on, and then I just move that to, we'll have a line. We'll say 7:30. Click OK, and that's it. 7:30 right the way across. And then again, if I want to do 5 o'clock, click on OK. Now, Saturday and Sunday, of course, I want to lie in, so we'll go to Saturday, 7:30. Now I'm going to put that to. It might have defrosted on its own by then, but I'm going to put it to 9:30, and I won't be going out in the afternoon at all, so I'll just switch that off. Same again on Sunday, 7:30. Far too early for a Sunday, so 9:30, and again, I won't be going out, so we'll click that off. Click OK. We'll just go back there. That's set all week, 7:30. And when you get in the car, there's a little heater under the bonnet which uses the diesel. And 7:30, it'll start defrosting the car, warming it up, defrost the windows. Also, most of them get lost, but there is a little key. There is a little key like so. So from your window, hopefully, depending on where your car is, you can just point out the window, click on, and there you go. That switches the heater underneath the bonnet. It's in the right hand side here. Just uses a little bit of diesel, burns it, heats it up, and you come out to your car and it's all clear when everybody else is scraping away. So that's a great feature. A lot of people don't even know they've got it, but that's how you do it.